Hey friends, if you know me, you know that I love flipping furniture, any DIYs, and also lots of product reviews. This week's video is going to be a little bit different, so stay with me. This goes out to my mother-in-law, my most amazing mother-in-law, Robin. 3 weeks ago, this was the table that I restored for her in her own kitchen. It took no tools because I had nothing with me while we were on vacation for spring break down there. Robin recently had a stroke this past Monday. And this has been so difficult for our family, and so many of you in our community have been praying for her, and I want you to keep praying. And so this video goes out to her, asking for healing, for every day there to be an improvement in her condition. Right now she is on a feeding tube and we need to get her swallowing, we need to get her speech back, and I need you to pray for all of these things. And so check out this video, this recap. Now it was filmed vertically for Instagram and Facebook, but I'm gonna pull some footage behind it, but you're gonna see it mostly vertical. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop me a comment below. Thank you guys. All right, we are on family vacation right now, and my mother-in-law expressed an interest in having her table redone and told me to give her instructions. But we're gonna surprise her while she's at work. We're gonna go to the store and get what we need. Let's go. We're gonna work on this table right inside the kitchen, so you don't have to move it anywhere. So let's do a quick recap of this. This is veneer. It's already burned through in some places, and so we know we can't do deep sanding, and I actually don't have my sander on me. So we are going to hand sand this just lightly enough where the gel stain can soak right into it. After some coarse sanding, we're going to move on to the 120 grit. You take your sandpaper that's in a sheet, you fold it in half, break it, and then you fold it in tri-fold, and now we're going to sand this down, get out any damage, and the rest of the finish. You want to sand with the grain, so the grain goes this way on this veneer, the grain goes this way on this veneer. Anytime it starts getting junked up like this, you take it with your block, and you get off all that gunk. It's just leftover finish. Come back, and you can sand. You can also take your sandpaper, fold it the other side. Once that gets gunked up, you tri-fold it. Just as good as your electric sander. This is a gel stain. This is pretty thick for a gel stain, but it's goopy and it sticks and it goes really well with veneer.
Looks really good.
I love this color. It's gonna be veneers.
What?
This is where the finish was not completely off of it. Shoot. See how
There's the light spots.
yeah.
Nice blending.
Just finished with the first layer. We're gonna go take the kids bowling. We'll come back, see how it goes.
It's so pretty! Woo!
After that exciting expression, she decided that she wanted it a little bit darker, and we were trying to cover up some of those spots that the veneer was not taking the stain. But even after the second coat, there were spots on it that were not taking the stain at all. I didn't want to run back up to the store. I wanted to use stuff that was around the house. So I found a black colored pencil and a brown colored pencil, and I got to work drawing in the wood grain. Now, I probably sat here for an hour and a half while we were chatting and whatnot, but it was so soothing and therapeutic to me. It was a wonderful time. I got this wood grain to look pretty legit so that I could seal the entire thing with polyurethane. One coat of polyurethane, so we're going to get a second one on. I love my